How to see Spotify Wrapped on PC, Mac, laptop, or desktop. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Chrome or any browser you want. After you open the browser, simply search Spotify Wrapped. You'll find 2025 Wrapped on Spotify. Click on 2025 Wrapped on Spotify. Make sure it's the official website of Spotify. After you've done that, it will directly lead you to your wrap. In my case, the wrap is not available for this account, so I won't be able to show. But after you click on it, it will directly open your Spotify Wrapped. And in this way, you can see your Spotify Wrapped. And this is how to see Spotify Wrapped on PC, Mac, laptop, and desktop. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.